Why Indians do not buy game? And certainly this is not because Indians do not have money. भाई बहुत पैसा अपने पास. The real reason is in the policy set by the gaming companies and the console companies like Microsoft and Sony. And one of such policy is the pricing strategy. You cannot have a game priced around $40 to $50 in the US market and the same price in the Indian market. The US market and the Indian market is completely different. $40 to $50 is okay in the US market, but in the Indian market it's really expensive, and sometimes the end user cannot buy the game. Now in India, the end user, the gamers are aged around 14 to 20 and 20 to 30. So these are two primarily age group that plays game in India according to a latest survey which has just happened. Now the people ranging from 14 to 20, they have to constantly ask their parent that they want to buy a video game, they want to buy a console, and sometimes their parents agree and sometimes they do not agree, because parents think that why to waste 4,000 to 5,000 rupees in a video game that would last only 6 to 7 hours. So that's why the end user 14 to 20 cannot buy the game. So the Indian market is certainly diverse around that, and the companies really need to think that you cannot have the same price what you set in the US market and the Indian market. They have to target it wisely so that the end user at least buys the game and the environment is created in such a way that they also feel worthy to buy the game and their pockets are also balanced when they buy the game, and the parents also think that it's okay to buy the game and spend around 2 to 3,000 in buying the game. So the pricing is a major factor which they have to think. Now coming on to the console part, why so many people in India do not buy a console like PlayStation or Xbox? Why they indulge in more into PC gaming, not in PlayStation? What is the reason? So the real reason is also in the price. Now the government of India has imposed a lot of taxes in PlayStation as well as Xbox. That's why when PlayStation and Xbox comes into the Indian market, it is really expensive. And the reason why government of India has imposed so many taxes, because they want Sony and Microsoft to set up their manufacturing unit in India, which they have not done. That's why they have imposed a lot of taxes on it. So the pricing is one of the crucial policy which will make the end users in India to buy the game. So the gaming companies really need to think out of the box if they want to set a culture in India on the gamers to buy the game, which has to be developed. And how it will be developed? It will be developed by setting a proper price according to the market. So what are your thoughts? Do you agree or disagree? Now the whole point of this video is to create a sense of debate so that the people, the gamers, really think about it. And if you agree or disagree, doesn't matter, but you have to have an opinion on this topic, because it's a very serious topic, and on the going future we really need to think about it, and the gaming companies really need to think about it, how they want to go forward about it. Because if you buy the game, you will have a different feeling. You can have the online features of the game, and really buying the game is a culture, is a habit that has to be developed slowly. And how that would be developed? By setting a proper price. And I really and firmly believe that pricing is one of the various incentive that can add a gamer and make the parents also think about it, that yes, it's worthy enough, it's very cheap, and people can really buy the game. So a whole culture has to be developed regarding buying a game. So what do you guys think about it? Put your comments in the comment section. Let's see what happens. So if you like this video and if you want to see more of such videos, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe button. As a gamer, you really need to think out of the box, and you really need to have an opinion. By watching this video, let's create an opinion. So with that thought, bye bye, take care. Keep supporting, keep loving. Our next target is 7,000 subscriber. Let's see if we achieve that as soon as possible or not. See you in the video. Bye bye, take care, keep gaming.